Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your permissions and choosing scope so you don't accidentally block legitimate content. Once you have managed server, open server settings and go to roles to set up a moderation role. Make sure to enable audit logs and verify verification level. This helps trace changes. Next, go to moderation and safety features to prepare for filters. You're setting the foundation, so the blocking rules you add next apply to the right users and channels. Now you implement the actual blocks using auto mod and channel permissions. In server settings, auto mod add a rule that matches URLs with a URL rejects or common link fragments. This targets most links. Once done, add allowed domain exceptions for trusted sites and exempt roles like moderators. Choose actions, delete messages automatically, send a warning, or apply timeout. Pick the least disruptive first. Make sure to test in a private channel to confirm behavior before rolling out server-wide. Finish by testing and monitoring so the system works reliably. You should send example links from accounts with different roles and confirm auto mod actions appear in logs. If legitimate links are blocked, inspect the rule rejects and tighten exceptions or add specific allowed domains. Alternatively, relax matching to reduce false positives. If nothing triggers, ensure auto mod is enabled and that channel overrides don't bypass rules. One key tip: use detailed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.